Dear friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the details of the usage of the verb to go in the form of go, went, and gone. So let's get started. The form of the verb to go could be used in three different ways: go, went, and gone. So how do we use it specifically in our conversation and our sentences? We're gonna learn that today. So let's start with the first one, go. It is used with the present simple tense. With the pronouns I, you, we, and they, we are using the form go, and with the pronouns he, she, and it, we are using the form goes. What are the adverbs of frequency that are used with these forms? Those are the following: once a month, sometimes, every day, usually, often, never. We go for a walk with our dog almost every day. Go almost every day. Alicia goes to church every Sunday. Goes every Sunday. Sam goes to the gym very often. Goes very often. Our family never goes to the cinema. We prefer watching movies at home. Never goes. I go to a grocery store every other day. Go every other day. So what about the second form, which is went? It is used with the past simple tense. And no matter what pronoun you are using, the form is still the same. I went, you went, we went, they went, he went, she went, it went. What are the words that are used in this tense? For example, yesterday, last week, in 2015, last Friday, 2 days ago. Yesterday, I went to the Bank of America to open a credit card. Yesterday, went. 2 days ago, we went to a local zoo with our children. 2 days ago, went. Last month, after a short break, Lisa went back to college. Last month, went. Amy went to Paris in 2015. Went in 2015. Last week, our class went to the library. Last week, went. And finally, the third form, which is gone and used in present perfect. And how do we use it here? So for the pronouns I, you, we, and they, we are using the form have gone. And for the pronouns he, she, and it, we are using the form has gone. And it is used to talk about someone who hasn't returned yet. For example, have you seen Mary? She has gone home already. Has gone. Where are the kids? They have gone to their friends. Have gone. Is Tom at work today? No, he has gone on vacation. Has gone. Mom, where is Dad? He has gone to the store. Has gone. Thank you so much for being with us today. If you really enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, follow us on social media, and we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.